Okay, so now we're going to investigate the integral from e to infinity of 1 divided by x, natural log of x to the p. Okay? And so let's start off with p which equals 2. And so let's say I want to investigate the integral from e to infinity of 1 divided by x, now natural log of x, let's say squared, an integral with respect to x. And so the first thing to do is set a limit. Okay, so I'm going to let u equal the natural log of x so that du is going to be 1 divided by x dx. Okay? And so the reason that it's really important to put a limit on this problem, because if you do a substitution, this top will become the natural log of b, and the bottom will become the natural log of e, which is just 1, okay? And now this becomes 1 divided by u squared du, okay? So that will equal the limit, now as b tends towards infinity, of negative 1 divided by u, evaluated as natural log of e and the natural log of b. So that's going to be the limit. Now as b tends towards infinity, negative 1 divided by the natural log of b and plus, this is 1. 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. All right. Now, let's try this with p, which is less than 1. Okay? We're going to have to stay on the same domain, though. Okay. Let's say we wanted to do the integral from e to infinity of 1 divided by, now x, let's say square root of the natural log of x, and we want to integrate this with respect to x. First thing, limit. Then go from e to b of 1 divided by x, now root, natural log of x, dx, okay? And so I'm going to let u equal the natural log of x, so that du is going to be 1 divided by x dx. So that's going to equal the limit as b tends towards infinity of, all right, so we're going to have the natural log of e and the natural log of b, all right? And this would become 1 divided by the square root of u du. And so that's going to equal the limit as b tends towards infinity of 2, now root u, evaluated at the natural log of e and the natural log of b. Let's just go ahead and say that equals 1, okay? And so that's going to equal the limit as b tends towards infinity, and that's going to be 2, now root, natural log of b, minus 2 root, natural log of e, well that's 1 and I already said that, but that would tend towards infinity. Okay, so they're similar rules, slightly different domains, but the relationship towards p integrals is the same.